Hello, classmates. This is my Google Slides all about me. My name is Lily Garcia. A little bit about me is that I currently reside in the carpet capital of the world, Dalton, Georgia. I recently got married in last June. Now I have 3 wonderful dogs. I am Mexican. I love to play soccer and I love watching Netflix. I can spend hours watching Netflix and I know I shouldn't. So my education, I graduated from Dalton High School in 2014 and then I graduated from Dalton State in 2018. My job history so far, I've been teaching for 2.5 years. I started teaching 2nd grade. And then this year was my first year in 3rd grade, and I was the virtual teacher for our grade. I have been teaching virtually since the beginning of the year. Currently I have 7 virtual kids and 4 in-person kids, and it really has been a learning opportunity, and I honestly do love it. And then next year, I found out that I'm going back to 2nd grade, so that's exciting. Some of my future goals is just to graduate Georgia Southern with my master's. And then later on, I would like to thrive to educate myself a little bit more and the best way possible for the purpose of educating my students. And I do want to get my specialist in the future to learn more about the best teaching practices. Also, I have a picture here of our school soccer club from last year. I want to be able in the future to create a well-established soccer club for my school because I believe students need not only great academics, but they also need extracurricular activities to learn other life skills. And that's a little bit about me.